Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nashta with you. Today we are making a super crispy and filling snack, Suji Aloo Nashta, perfect for breakfast, tea time or evening snacks. Let's get started. In a pan, pour 2 cups water. Add 2 teaspoon oil and half teaspoon salt. Let it boil. Add 1 cup Suji or Semolina. Stir continuously. Cook until the mixture leaves the pan and becomes dough-like. In a bowl, take 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin. Add 1 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Potatoes are a good source of energy and fiber. Potatoes have been a staple in comfort food around the world for centuries. This is our flavorful potato stuffing. Make sure the Suji dough is soft but firm enough to shape. Once cooled slightly, take a portion of the Suji dough, roll it flat. Always cook Suji on low flame to avoid lumps. Suji is light on the stomach and easy to digest. Place some potato stuffing on top, spread gently. You can add grated cheese inside the stuffing for a cheesy twist. Then cover with another Suji layer and press lightly. Cut into your favorite shapes, square, circle or triangles. This recipe is a fusion of traditional Indian nashta and creative street-style snacks. Now prepare the flour slurry. Mix 1/4 cup flour, 2 teaspoon black sesame seeds, 2 teaspoon white sesame seeds, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, and half cup water. Sesame seeds adds not just crunch but also a nutty flavor and nutrition. Dip each piece into the slurry. Fry in medium heated oil until golden and crispy on all sides. Fry in medium heat so the inside gets cooked evenly. Using sesame seeds adds calcium and healthy fat. You can air fry instead of deep frying for a lighter version. And your crispy, tasty Suji Aloo Nashta is ready to enjoy. So what do you think? Will you try this snack today? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more creative and wholesome recipes. Until next time, keep smiling and keep cooking.